Hey, what's up, fam? I'd like to welcome everybody back. As you can see, we're at the muffler shop. The 5.0's on the lift. We're getting it done. We're gonna fix that problem with that exhaust leak. And y'all boys, stay locked in. Hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share the video, and stay tuned. We're getting it done. Yeah, fam, he already got one cut off. As you see, he's over there forming the pipe that he's gonna put back in there to replace it. And he said he's gonna get me right, so I can't wait. Can't wait, fam. Give y'all guys a quick look underneath. Y'all can see that one side is already in. New pipe right there. But yeah, that right there, that's the problem, man. I had to get that mess up out of there. Sometimes a DIY project just don't turn out like you always expect it to, so it's best to call the professionals. But I'm gonna let the man do the work, and I'll pick y'all back up when it's all done.
6 hours later.
Everybody, it's been a few hours later. I didn't really get to finish recording at the shop. He had other customers in there, and I didn't want to have the camera all in nobody's face, and I had to pull the car out myself. So I came on to the house, let the car cool off a little bit so I can give y'all a good cold start. Now we on the road. I gotta go out and run a few errands. I gotta stop by the store, get me some gas in the car. Yeah, we're on the road, man. Our first drive since we got the muffler's exhaust fixed. Y'all supposed to let me know what y'all think. Check engine light still on right now. I'm gonna let it run through a few drive cycles and see if I can get that to go out on its own. I gotta get that ECM some time to know that the problem has been fixed. 7:12 p.m. Still 93 degrees out here, fam. I'm gonna get up here and get me some 93 and I'll pick y'all back up on the road. Alright fam, we made it back to the crib. Everything works out so far so good so far. I'm loving this thing, y'all. It makes me just want to get off into the modifications. Mustang week coming up, less than 30 days, so hey, we got work to do. Yeah man, y'all guys get down in that comment section and let me know what y'all think, man. Y'all think, was this a good fix? Yeah or nay? Did my exhaust get louder? Did y'all hear it better? I mean, me personally, I think so. But that check engine light is still on, so I'm gonna let it run its cycles. And yeah, we taking it one step at a time, mod for mod. Mustang week less than 30 days away. Yeah, we plan on being there. Y'all guys get down in the comment section and let me know if any of y'all gonna be down there. If so, I would like to see y'all, meet y'all, see your cars and everything, you know, mingle with the people and just have a good old time. Yeah, like I said, this is gonna be the end of today's video, man. Y'all guys make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, leave a like, turn on all post notifications. Just be on alert, man. I'm getting back into dropping my videos twice a week, so y'all will probably be seeing me again maybe Monday or Tuesday. I'm really not sure. Today's Thursday, but we got all weekend. We're gonna work. We're gonna drop some good content out, man, and let's run the likes up. Let's fill the comment section up. Help me reach that goal of 3K subscribers. Yeah, Fast Life Rose, and I'm out, fam.